Yo guys, Rishabh here back with another video. In this video, let's take a look at the iPhone 11 Pro and let's see if it's still worth buying after almost 4 months since its release. Let's get started. Alright, let's cut to the chase. This is one of the best phones in the market right now. Period. You know why I say this? Because well, whatever Apple is offering in this phone, to be honest, it simply excels in it. Now these are the 8 things that everybody considers while buying a phone in my opinion. Build, display, software, battery, camera, features, performance and price. And as I just said, the 11 Pro manages to nail all those categories. Allow me to explain. This time Apple has replaced the glossy back with this matte frosty finish which does two things really well. For one, it hides fingerprints and smudges like a champ. And number two, it just makes it that much more premium to hold in my opinion. And this back, while coupled with the stainless steel frame, this phone feels like a tank, although a little fragile one. This display is simply stunning guys. I wouldn't say this is the best out there. Of course I'm team #refresh rate for life. But if refresh rate is not very important, this will be my second topic in respect to display quality right after the Galaxy Note 10's display. But nonetheless, watching content on this phone is such a pleasure guys, and yeah, of course it does support HDR10 playback too. Now this is not the max variant, which of course means this does not have that beefy 3969 mAh battery, but you will be surprised how well even this phone holds up in spite of heavy usage. Now ignoring what Apple says about the plus 3 or 4 or whatever it is, in real world usage, this phone easily lasts one whole day with some pretty heavy usage no matter what kind of use you put it to, be it gaming or just media consumption. So now I can be confident that this version of 5.8-inch iPhone has great battery life unlike its predecessors the 10 and 10s. Now if you're team Android or team anti-iOS, then well, I know, or we all know that there's just no point in talking about the software. And even if you're team iOS, then that's still no point in talking about the software because I think you already know this is the best version of iOS out there. But if I had to really say anything about it, then well, I'll say this. If customization is not your cup of tea, if you want a close to bug-free experience, and if you want something that just works, look no further my friend. This version of iOS 13 is amazing. There are no bugs, there are literally no stutters. The consistent performance is what I would say makes this phone so much more enjoyable to use. You already know it, and I'm sure you already have heard it a couple of dozen times. Yes, this is the best smartphone camera right now. Apple has really nailed it this time guys. Sadly, the sample files I had messed up, so I don't have many samples to present to you guys, but take my word for it, this camera is amazing. You can see in the samples that I have taken. I know many of us, me included, wanted to see things like Type-C port, 30-watt quick charging, 90 or 120Hz refresh rate, Apple Pencil, no solder notch, reverse wireless charging, and so much more. But trust me, instead of looking at the extras that we all deep inside know that Apple is not gonna implement until the 2021 iPhone, this phone, for what it offers, you'll be surprised at how good they function. Speakers, loud and best in class. Face ID, almost 90% accuracy rate. Dual SIM support, check. Wireless charging, check. Wide angle lens, check. IP68 protection, check. So yeah, I guess you get the point, right? This phone, for whatever it offers, it does it really well, so that is a less thing to worry about. When I say this is one of the fastest performing phones right now, I don't think there should be anything to get surprised about, as this is the latest iPhone available right now, so it is at the very least expected to perform like a champ, considering it's not even 6 months old. But hey, remember the iPhone X that was launched 2 years ago? That phone is still a beast in terms of performance. So just know that this phone, rest assured, will easily last you at least 3 years without any trouble. And when coupled with iOS 13 right now, this phone is butter. No lag whatsoever, guys. Gaming too is crazy enjoyable on this phone thanks to the chip and the display itself. So, $1,000 or 1 lakh Indian rupees. Yes, that's what this phone is gonna cost you right now, even after 5 months of its release. No discounts or whatsoever. Okay, now let me give you two options and let's just assume that you want nothing but an iPhone. So, number 1, iPhone XR plus Series 5 watch plus AirPods. Or number 2, just 11 Pro. Choice is yours, money is yours. The decision too well is yours. Me, I would personally go with the option 1. But then if you choose option 2, I guess you have thought about it enough and well, I don't think you'll be disappointed in that case too. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm sure many of you have other opinions. Whatever it is, hate comments, love comments, whatever it is, drop a comment down below. If you found this video helpful, then well, share this video, guys. Please share this video. Jokes apart, that's pretty much it from my side. Like the video and oh yeah, please subscribe for more such content. Rishabh here signing off. We'll see you in the next one.